Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your document and selecting the exact text to change. This ensures you don't alter unintended content. Once done, look to the Home tab and find the paragraph group. This is the quickest route. If you prefer precision, click the tiny dialog launcher in the corner to open the paragraph dialog, where you can control line and paragraph spacing numerically. Make sure to save a copy if you're experimenting with different spacing values. Now you'll modify the spacing itself. Click line and paragraph spacing for quick presets like 1, 0, 1, 15, 1, 5, or 2, 0. This is fast for common needs. For finer control, open the paragraph dialog and set before and after paragraph spacing in points and pick line spacing. Single, 1, 5, double at least, exactly, or multiple. Use exact values when you need consistent line height. Use multiple for proportional spacing. Apply to preview. Finish by applying your changes and scanning the document and print layout to confirm appearance. Small differences can be more visible when printed. If you see inconsistent spacing, clear direct formatting, or reapply a consistent style to those paragraphs so settings aren't mixed. If problems persist, reveal paragraph marks to find manual line breaks or check document compatibility mode, which can override spacing. Resolve those and reapply spacing. Save the final version and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.